Wait. When I was a prosecutor, and back whenever you started in the felony section, so you're promoted from misdemeanor, you go into the felony section, all I wanted to do was try cases. I didn't necessarily have a court team that wanted to try as many cases as I did, but if there was a tough case, there was any case, I wanted to be trying it. And one of the very first rape cases I tried was a young woman who was actually a newspaper delivery person, back when people delivered the newspaper and it wasn't delivered online. She was abducted midway through her paper route, taken to an abandoned house and forced to perform oral sex on the individual that I was trying. And she was out of state and we flew her in. And it was a very difficult case because what people don't understand is individuals' reactions to being sexually assaulted vary. They're as different as people are. And she was numb and in shock and didn't even know what to do and went on to finish her paper route and then collapsed. The individual that I was trying had also been responsible for another kidnapping and another aggravated robbery. So we tried 3 cases, his 3 cases separately, back to back to back. When I finished trying this young lady's rape case, a few weeks later, she was very appreciative. She hugged my neck. She thanked me. But a few weeks later, I had received a doll that was supposed to be me, and it was a wooden doll, and it had a round face and curly hair. I had longer hair back then. And the doll had these big wooden hands. I don't know this, but I had a psychologist tell me one day that, Christy, the reason why the hands are big is that's a symbol of control. And she said, you gave her control of her life again. So it was a very special memento. And I still have it. I've received notes, lovely notes, very heartfelt notes. I received flowers. I received a set of dishes, a watercolor, or a pencil drawing of me in court. Just lots of different things. Amazon gift card, lots of different things. I think it's hard. When you save a loved one's life, it's hard for the family to put into words what that means to them.